Okay, back with another quick unboxing of the iPhone 13 Pro leather case. Got it in golden brown because this year Apple has done away with my beloved saddle brown. I think they've had saddle brown since the very first time they introduced leather cases for the iPhone, and for whatever reason, this year this color is no longer an option. So this is the one for my 12 Pro Max that I've been using for about 6 months now. I think it's in really good condition, actually, considering that's the abuse that it's gone under. But there it is. So let's take a look at the new color, which is the closest that you'll get to brown this time, and it's kind of like an orange brown, maybe similar to the California Poppy from last year. I didn't have anything with that color last year, but here it is, and yeah, it is kind of an orangey brown. So let's take it out of the box. Of course, in the box you get the usual paperwork, so we'll set that to the side. And here's a closer look at the case. Let's see if I can bring it up close so you can see the camera cutout. And it looks like they kind of softened up the lines over here. It has a thinner plastic rim compared to last year. It's kind of a thick, bulky plastic rim over there. And it looks like the leather kind of gently rolls up into it, which is nice. Aluminum buttons. Cutouts, I'm sure, are all where they're supposed to be. And the MagSafe ring on the inside, not covered in plastic this year. Let me pop out the old one. Yeah, there's a little bit of a kind of a plasticky cover over there. So let me pop my Graphite 13 Pro into the case, and we'll take a look at how it looks with the case. There you get the MagSafe notification, and that's how it looks. Still a pretty handsome case, but I do think I'm going to miss the saddle brown. We'll see how this new golden brown patinas over time and what it looks like after getting a little bit darkened from hand sweat. And of course, as you would expect, everything kind of lines up perfectly, being a first party case. There's the mute switch. Put that back on mute. The volume buttons are clicky. And actually, my top volume button feels a little mushy. You don't hear a click. And I don't think it'll come up on camera. Let me put it to the mic. That's the bottom. And the top, you don't really hear a click, so that's kind of interesting. And that is basically it. That's how it looks compared to the saddle brown. We'll put them side by side. A lot different shade, but like I said, compared to the other colors, I think the golden brown is probably the one that I like the best out of all the other colors. I have my MagSafe wallet in black from last year. Let me pop it on and see how it looks. Yeah, not as much of a fan as I was with this combination with the brown. The brown and the black kind of looked a little bit better, but that's how it is. I mean, I still prefer the leather cases, especially because it just has more of an organic feel, and it gets a little bit grippy in a very nice kind of way. I feel like whenever I use a leather case, I'm confident in resting my hands on it and not having it slip. It just feels nicer to hold, nicer in the hand. But that's it. That is the quick unboxing and look at the golden brown iPhone leather case. Hope that helps some of you out there. Thanks for watching.